Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a very beautiful happy birthday card. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some sturdy cardstock, perhaps in a vibrant color or with a fun pattern. Don't forget decorative elements like stickers, glitter, or a lovely ribbon. Essential tools include a good pair of scissors, reliable glue, and colorful markers. Adding a small photo or a tiny memento can make it extra special. Now, let's plan the design of your card. Start by folding your cardstock perfectly in half to create a crisp, clean base. Lightly sketch out your main design ideas with a pencil. This helps visualize the layout. Think about where your birthday message will go and how your decorative elements will be arranged. Aim for a balanced and visually appealing composition that truly pops. It's time for the fun part, decorating your card. Carefully attach your chosen embellishments, like stickers or cutouts, using a strong adhesive. Consider incorporating different textures, such as a soft ribbon or a piece of patterned paper, to add visual interest and depth. A tiny sprinkle of glitter or a few sequins can add a lovely touch of sparkle. Make sure everything is securely fastened. Finally, let's craft a heartfelt message to complete your beautiful card. Inside, write a warm and sincere birthday greeting that comes from the heart. Consider including a small personal anecdote or a cherished shared memory to make it truly unique. Use your best handwriting or try some decorative lettering for an extra special touch. Sign your card with love and your warmest well wishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.